I am Montana Garrison, and the resource I'm going to be doing a tutorial over is Quizizz.com. It is Quizizz.com. And there's a couple ways that this can be used in your classroom. First way is kind of like Kahoot, where you get a game code, you put it on the screen, your students can join, type in their name, and they join this quiz. That doesn't require students to have an account. All they have to do is type in the code, type in their name, and then you can start the quiz with those students. The other way to do this is to have the students create accounts as students, join your class that you have created as the teacher, and you can assign quizzes for them to complete as homework or to complete in class. And it kind of gives them a grade and they can see their progress on those assigned quizzes. Both the accounts for the teachers and the students are free. It's very simple to join. You just have to type in your email, create a password, and you have your teacher account. Same with students, and I'll be showing you how students can create their account, but there is a little bit more with the student account in order to get that set up. Okay, so you can see I'm on Quizizz.com. Again, it's Quizizz, so a little different spelling there. And I would just choose login because I have created my account, but if you just chose get started for the first time, it would take you to this screen where you would type in your email, and then you click next and you create a password, or you could sign up with your Google account if you had a Gmail or a Google account already. I'm just going to go back to mine where I'm already logged in. And first I'm going to show you a couple of the ways that you can create a quiz or find a quiz. So up here in this top bar, you have find a quiz or create a new quiz. It's similar to Kahoot, where you can search for quizzes that other teachers have made and use those, and you can edit them to make them kind of more personalized, or you can create a new quiz, completely your own questions, depending on what fits your needs. But if I were to find a quiz, I'm just going to search exponents. And I see all my different options of what other teachers have created. And I'm just going to say, I like this exponent laws. Okay, so I can click on it. And I'm just going to show how you can play the game live to begin with. So this is where the students would join anonymously. I would choose play live. I think, or I would only use the classic just because they answer at their own pace. That's another aspect of this that I like, is it's not timed except for each individual question. They can take their own amount of time on it individually, just to really make sure that they're understanding the content. So I would choose classic, continue. Oh, hang on. And then it's going to take you to the screen that says joinmyquiz.com, and it gives a game code. This is where the students will get their device out, whether it's computer, phone, tablet, anything like that. Go to joinmyquiz.com and enter in the game code. So I'm going to show you what it would look like from the student side. I'm going to go to joinmyquiz.com. And you would just simply enter in the game code. So if you type in the game code, you type in your name. I'm just going to use student 1, start game. And then this is what the student sees. They can see all the other players that are joined. And then I'm going to go back to the teacher dashboard. So I have 3 students joined, student 1, 2, 3. Once you have at least a couple students joined, you can start the game. Since the students are working at their own pace, you don't have to wait for everyone to be logged in. And you start the game. And this screen is what the teacher will show. So if I'm answering the questions as the students, you can see what is happening on the leaderboard. And again, the students are moving at their own pace. And you can see how the leaderboard changes. You can obviously choose whether you want to show that on the screen while the students are playing, or whether you want to keep that not up on the screen. It just depends on kind of how comfortable your students are with seeing who's getting what right, all that stuff. At the end, it shows you this leaderboard, or this breakdown of question by question what students got right. And you have the option of emailing parents, because when you create student accounts, the parents have an email in there, and so you can send that to parents also. All right, the other option is you can click on classes over here. I have a couple classes already added, 3rd, 4th hour. You can add students, and it just gives this link. Students would type that in, create an account, it's free, and they would have to put in their parents' email, because that's going to help get the information out. To create a class, you either create your own, or you can connect with Google Classroom, which is just handy because a lot of us already have a lot of classes created, and then you don't have to do any extra work. It invites all of your students. For Bloom's taxonomy, this falls in the applying and analyzing levels, because you're answering questions, but you have the power to create as hard or as easy as questions as you need. And in the SAMR model, it falls into the augmentation level.